Since 1955, interaction with the television is iterated upon a single device that is now considered the de facto standard, the remote control. We have developed a host of management behaviours for these physical tokens of control. For example, they can be passed, taken, hidden, and so on. However, the remote is being supplanted by new interfaces supporting a variety of input modalities, for example gesture controls or mobile device input, thus removing the physical constraint of one user at a time. In the process, existing behaviours and familiar interactions are potentially being discarded without due consideration. As such, we investigated how we could facilitate multi-user use of a traditional single-user interface. Within this, we examined both existing behaviours for managing control and potential new behaviours given the removal of the constraint of a single physical remote control. We examined 10 different conditions, categorised as either one user at a time or everyone in control, in order to determine how best to facilitate shared use of a single user media system. The task participants undertook was to plan and schedule recordings for TV viewing in a given time period. Firstly, the 5 one user at a time conditions. These were the control condition, which was that of a single physically shared remote control, as you would have with any standard media system or TV. The lending condition, where control could be lent by an authority figure and then revoked. Passing, where control could be passed directly to other participants. Taking, where control could be taken from whoever currently possessed it. Turn taking, where time slicing was employed to allow everyone a chance to exert control. There were also 5 everyone in control conditions. These were everyone in control, where every device was in control at all times. Plurality, where majority rules voting was employed for making selections. Hierarchy, where designated individuals outranked the others and could override their control. Subsets, where everyone had a subset of control, thus forcing cooperation and equity of participation. Blocking, where users could be selectively blocked from control temporarily. Our results show that single-user media systems should remain one user at a time, as users are unable to self-manage control when everyone is concurrently in control of the media system. Additionally, our results provided a set of behaviours for managing control derived from existing behaviours. These behaviours were geared toward managing control of a media system as a one user at a time system through passing, taking, and lending control. Our behaviours let users manage control of their media systems in a way that they are familiar with, in terms of explicit management of control, for example taking control away from a child or passing control to a family member,